Here you see the chapter name is Evaporation. Evaporation happens to all free flowing liquid. Let's take the example of water. What are the water sources, do you know? Water sources are ocean, lakes, ponds, or anything. Let's take the example that a plate having full of water. What happens in evaporation? Here the surface particles of water absorbs outside energy and converts to water vapor. Here in the second slide, look how water particles are present. The surface particles of water absorbing outside energy and escaping from the surface of water. These form a vapor above the liquid surface. Here in the third slide, I have told you previously that energy absorbed by surface particles. Let's see types of energy or factors affecting evaporation. The first factor is temperature. You just tell me if temperature increases, then your clothes dry faster, or when on low temperature clothes dry faster. We all know the answer. It's our daily life example that in high temperature on in hot summer our clothes dry faster. The second factor is surface area. Here I am giving you a practical life example. You told me that if your mother giving you hot soup or any kind of hot food, one in glass and your brother serve in plate, which soup will cool faster? Yes, the soup in the plate. Why this happens? Because when surface area increases, evaporation rate occurs faster. You got all my point? Next point is humidity. Let's have another daily life example. That means it happens mostly in a rainy season. In a rainy season, if sun is not present and also not raining outside, and you go to dry your clothes and having cloudy environment, just rain occurs recently. Does your cloth dry easily? No. Why? Let's first understand what is humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. The air around us cannot hold more water vapor than definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water in air already high, the rate of evaporation will decrease. That means everything has some limit. If you just having a dinner and your stomach is full of food, then if I will offer anything you, then you will deny to take these things. Let's go to the another thing. If there is no water vapor in air, humidity is also low and clothes dry faster. Means in low humidity, evaporation occurs faster on evaporation because evaporation increases. Let's go to the last point. That is wind speed. Take another daily life example. It's your mother serving you hot porridge. How can you cool it down? Yes, you put it near the fan. Why? Because wind speed increases the evaporation rate. And take another example. If sun is not present outside but it is a windy day, does your clothes dry faster? Yes, because wind speed increases evaporation. You got these all 4 points. Let's see in this slide. There is 4 beautiful pictures and it's the factors. The first factor is the same examples. The temperature. Here in the hot summer, someone putting the clothes to dry outside because of hot summer. That means due to hot summer, the clothes drying faster. The second example, someone putting a glass of milk or and having another plate of milk, which will evaporate faster. Definitely, we learn that the milk having in the pot will evaporate faster or it will cool down faster. In the third example, it's a sunlight area, and it's a cloudy day, cloudy environment, and the clothes is drying outside, but it is not easy to dry because of high humid. We learn that in a high humid the clothes will dry slowly. In the third example, someone put a milk in the glass and put it in near the windy area. The water or the milk will evaporate or cool faster in that time. In this slide, let's learn another point. How evaporation causes cooling. Do you know how does the water in an earthen pot or matka becomes cool? In earthen pot, there is large number of tiny pores on its body. Hence, a small amount of water seeps out from these pores. These water particles present at tiny pores. These water particles absorbs outside energy and evaporated from surface of earthen pot. But energy does not have effect inside water present in matka. Here in the right side picture, the red dot present in matka picture energized by surrounding and escape from the surface but not affect in inside water, the blue dots. So water becomes cool in summer days. You got these points? In this slide, let's take another example. You use nail polish remover. It is acetone, we called. When you put it on your palm feels cool. Why? Do you know? Because acetone particles take the energy from surface of the palm or your palm and it also takes the energy from surrounding and evaporate fast, and so you can feel the coolness. These are the points of evaporation. This is the presentation of evaporation. Thank you for your attention.